This is what I'm packing for lunch. Excuse the mess, but I live alone and I don't clean. For breakfast, I have some, what is this? Oatmeal with blueberries. I also have dried mango in there and walnuts. This is just water because it's really hot, but this keeps it cold and it's easy to clean. I don't like carrying the big water jugs. Plus, I'm too busy to either go to the restroom or drink a lot of water. This is pita bread with tofu, lettuce, organic grape tomatoes, and a jalapeno with some onion and cucumber. So it's almost like a salad, but with the pita. It's delicious and very filling. And because I'm only carrying this amount of water, I'm also taking a LaCroix, and in here is my utensils. And
Amazon, Chipotle, Spotify. Don't need to listen to ads, even at the discounted student rate when we are in debt and can't afford that. What, Spotify?
so this is me at lunch. I spend $275 per month on average on groceries. And I spend about $60 a month on eating out for me and others. Usually I'm always with others when eating out, and I try to buy organic.